In today's digital age, email marketing has become a vital tool for businesses to connect with their customers. However, it is crucial to ensure that your email marketing campaigns are compliant with the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the Controlling the Assault of Non-Solicited Pornography in Marketing, (CAN-SPAM) Act. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in hefty fines and damage to your brand reputation. To help you navigate through these complex regulations, we have compiled 5 expert tips that will keep you on the right side of the law while maximizing the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. Obtain explicit consent. The first step towards ensuring GDPR compliance is obtaining explicit consent from your subscribers before sending them any marketing emails. This means that individuals must actively opt in and provide clear consent for their personal data to be processed for promotional purposes. Make sure your opt-in forms clearly state what information will be collected, how it will be used, and provide an easy way for users to withdraw their consent at any time. Maintain accurate subscriber lists. Under both GDPR and CAN-SPAM, it is essential to maintain accurate subscriber lists by regularly updating contact details and honoring unsubscribe requests promptly. Keep track of when subscribers joined your list, what they agreed to receive, and when they last engaged with your emails. By doing so, you can ensure that only those who have given consent continue receiving communications from you. Implement double opt-in. One effective way to demonstrate compliance while also enhancing engagement is by implementing a double opt-in process. This involves sending a confirmation email after someone signs up for your mailing list, asking them to confirm their subscription by clicking on a link or button within the email itself. Not only does this verify that users genuinely want to receive emails from you, but it also provides an opportunity to reiterate your privacy policy and give subscribers the option to manage their preferences. Provide clear opt-out options. Both GDPR and CAN-SPAM require that you provide clear opt-out options for your subscribers. This means including an unsubscribe link in every email you send and making sure it is easy to locate and use. Additionally, honor all unsubscribe requests promptly, within 10 business days according to CAN-SPAM, to avoid any potential violations. Secure data handling practices. Protecting the personal data of your subscribers is a top priority when it comes to compliance with GDPR. Ensure that you have robust security measures in place to safeguard the information you collect, such as using encryption for sensitive data and regularly updating software patches. It is also crucial to conduct regular audits of your data handling practices and keep documentation of these processes readily available in case of a regulatory audit. By following these expert tips, not only will you stay compliant with GDPR and CAN-SPAM regulations, but you will also reap several benefits for your email marketing campaigns. Increase trust. By being transparent about how you handle customer data and respecting their privacy rights, you build trust with your audience. This trust can lead to higher open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately conversions. Enhanced reputation. Compliance demonstrates that your business takes privacy seriously, which can enhance its reputation among customers who are increasingly concerned about how their personal information is used by companies. Targeted marketing. Implementing explicit consent ensures that those who receive your emails are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. This leads to more targeted marketing efforts, resulting in higher engagement rates from a qualified audience. Cost savings. Avoiding fines associated with non-compliance can save significant costs for businesses of all sizes while protecting their bottom line. In conclusion, staying GDPR and CAN-SPAM compliant should be a top priority for any business engaged in email marketing. By following these expert tips, you can avoid costly fines and protect your brand reputation while maximizing the effectiveness of your campaigns. Remember to obtain explicit consent, maintain accurate subscriber lists, implement double opt-in processes, provide clear opt-out options, and prioritize secure data handling practices. Compliance not only ensures legal adherence but also builds trust with your audience and enhances your brand's reputation in the long run.